Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see some health insurance costs. Health insurance costs vary widely based on several key factors, especially for plans available to the Affordable Care Act (ACA) marketplace. Here's an overview of average costs in 2024 and the elements that influence them. Average health insurance cost like annual. The average ACA marketplace plan costs $7,620 per year. For monthly premium, the average is about $635 per month. And if you have a costs by plan type, Bronze plan has $544 per month. Silver plan, $660 per month. Gold plan is $708, and Platinum plan is $1,209 per month, which is the highest premiums and the lowest out-of-pocket. Age plays a significant role in ACA marketplace pricing. As age increases, so do premiums. For example, at 21, you'd have $425 per month, but at the age of 60, you'd have $1,154,000 per month. Cost by health plan type. Different plan structures also affect costs, like HMO, EPO, PPO, and POS. So at the end, the factors influencing health insurance costs are age, plan type and metal tier, location, family, size and income, and then lifestyle. This structure allows individuals to balance monthly premium costs with potential of out-of-pocket expenses based on their healthcare needs. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Stay healthy, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.